Who does not want growth in the business? Perhaps everybody. Perhaps if I'm asking this question, it's a foolish question. So everybody wants the growth, but in company, in enterprises, the growth strategy should be very, very strong and properly directed. It should be a vision oriented, and then only the growth can be achieved. Here in this section, we'll try to understand a lot of all about this growth strategy, the reasons behind this growth strategy, how we can make the expansion of that, investment, exploration of the new products, technology, new market, how we can communicate or the correlate this with the intensification strategy and all of those things, market penetration and so on and so forth. So in short, the growth strategy is very, very important for any kind of company, because if there is no growth, the company will be dead. Now, reasons for growth strategy, there may be multiple reasons. It is basically the redefining of the business by enlarging the scope of the business. Now, growth means what? Now I am ambitious, I am greedy, I need growth. You think in that way, that means whatever my current scenario is, I will redefine that business again and again to get the business, more business. Okay? Then expansion. Then the reason is I will do that through investments, exploration of new products, technology, new markets. All of these things are significant reformulation of my goal and the directions. Otherwise, how we should get the great growth? Unless until change the product, unless until I focus on new pricing strategy, unless until I focus on new market. Correct? पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? Growth कैसे होगा? It tends to be equated with dynamism, vigor, promise and success. I am hiring you thinking that year on year there will be 30% growth. If it is not happening 6 months back, you will be fired. Growth strategy. See the simple. Are you promising me for the success? Yes. Come. Join the team. Good boy. Okay? Now, reasons for the growth strategy. It may be multiple. Suddenly it may be possible that demand got increased. Whirlpool. Demand got increased. So I need the growth in that point of time. I need new manufacturing unit to manufacture more and more washing machines there in Haryana and Punjab. Okay. Next, strategies may feel more satisfied with the prospects of growth from expansion. Chief executives may take pride in presiding over organizations perceived to be growth oriented. Last year we had 10% growth. This year I am having 14% growth. Our company is growth oriented. I am expecting that last year it was 10%, now 14%. Next year it will be 22%. Within 5 years of time, we will be the number one in whole Asia. Growth. This kind of talk comes from VP, CEOs and all, top management executives. You understand now? Think that you are continuously first buy. What kind of attitude you will build? Similarly, last 2 साल growth हुआ है, इस साल growth हुआ है, next साल होगा, next to next साल होगा, we are better. That kind of talk comes into the picture. Growth oriented picture. Expansion may lead to the greater control over the market vis-a-vis the competitors. Now, the more and more I am doing expansion, my market share is horizon. Market share is increasing. The more and more market share is increasing, the competition is going down slowly. Correct? Growth strategy. This is the reason. Jio, what Jio is doing now? Market share. The time to kill competition. Growth strategy. Tell me now, is Jio stable now? Matured now? No, but that's it. Neither introduction, nor matured, nor decline. Growth. So he'll be taking growth strategy. I will try to encash the opportunity so that I can get maximum market share, so that my competition can go low as possible. Fine. Next is advantages from the experience curve and scale of operations may occur. Why I need reasons for growth? It may be possible. Okay, fine. Long time I am selling Maggie. Long time I am making Maggie. Can I do something else similar to Maggie? Growth. Okay, long time I'm selling in India. Long time I'm selling only this much of in India. Can I do it in China, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, all of these countries? Growth. Fine. Advantages, because they are really having advantages of that expertise. Then we'll talk about some characteristics of the growth strategy. First, redefinition of the business. Whatever I said earlier, just in divided into 5-6 points. Okay. Expansion strategy is opposite of the stability strategy. ये क्या बोलना है, तो सभी जानता है. Stability, I will not grow. Expansion is I will grow. The opposite of the stability strategy. Rewards and risks are also high with respect to the stability strategy. Stability strategy 0. There is no risk. They do not want to change. Growth, high ambition. Will take risk. Will get more. Expansion strategy leads to the business growth. A firm with a mammoth growth ambition can meet its objective only through an expansion strategy. मुझे within 1 year I need to capture 60% market share in the telecom. Mammoth growth. Mammoth, what I say, business expectation. Only it can happen. Aggressive growth strategy. Okay, it requires fresh investment. Expansion strategy is a highly versatile strategy. It offers several permutations and combination of the growth. And finally, it has two major strategies there for the growth: intensification and the diversification. We'll explain it. So now the growth strategy, how you want to make the growth of your company, there are two ways now. One is diversification, one is intensification. Both of them are the growth strategies. Difference is in the way in which the firm actually pursue the growth. Two ways: one intensification or diversification. You are consolidating your product and market, or you are acquiring new markets and new companies and all. Intensification, diversification. Hope you have understood the concept of this section. It is clarified properly. You have enjoyed. See you in the next section.